All right, welcome back. SandosPromo.com, exploring Sandos Playacar. And so, I need to get laundry done. And so I got a whole, I don't know, I got a bag. I got a bag of laundry, right? So I took a pillowcase and stuffed it full of stuff. I could have used the resort's laundry service, but at like $3 or $3.50 a piece of clothing. This other service is gonna do it for, I don't know, 25 bucks, the whole bag. 20 bucks. They're gonna pick it up. They're gonna probably press it and bring it back in like an airtight bag. We'll see. I'll show you. It's gonna be badass. Anyway, I love what they call lavanderia or whatever it is down here. And when I stayed down here in Cancun a few years back, I used to have my clothes laundered, every couple of days, every week. As I walked downtown, I just drop off, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 pieces of clothing. And on my way back, I just pick it up. They'd have it all ready for me. So I'm highly looking forward to this. That was my favorite part of Mexico was the pizza, the tacos, the taco shells, and the laundry service. And so here, off resort is this little, it's called Mr. Clean. Mr. Clean, just see here, Mr. Clean's laundry delivery. All right, and so, hang on a second. I gotta get some better eyeballs or something. Man, I need these glasses. All right, Mr. Clean. Clean's laundry service. So you go to Facebook, Mr. Clean Laundry Delivery. They also got a website. Where did I see that at? Website is this, Mr. Clean Laundry Delivery NEGOCIO.SITE site. Yeah, I think you should probably come up with something easier than that. They have an email at mrcleanpdc@gmail.com. And so, yeah, I'm going to give them a good shot. They were highly recommended on a Sandos Facebook page. And so dig it. I got them in a little thread here. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to drop off some stuff for them. It is, I believe he said, let's see here, $6 USD per kilo. So just a little over 2 pounds of clothing will be $6. So that's a much better rate than here at the resort. All right, dig it. So if you're looking for a way to do laundry while on vacation at Sandos Playacar, and I believe at Sandos Caracol, all right, because they're located somewhere around 40th Street. So that's right in the middle between Sandos Caracol and Sandos Playacar. So I will come back here and let you know how it all turned out. I'll show you the results. All right. All right. Yeah. And so I don't even fold my own clothes, like really. And you're worried about like, him running off with your clothes. He's like Nike, Adidas, no problem, no worries. This guy's got like 300 reviews online. And so, yeah, I really enjoyed this whole ordeal and dig it. Oh, my nice socks. Oh, I ran out of socks. Beautiful. All right, I gotta hop in the shower, guys. It is hot down here, so you're gonna switch clothes probably twice a day. Or you're gonna be sopping wet. It is humid, it's hot. And if you're back and forth between, room and beach, yeah, bring some extra clothes. Figure you're gonna have to do a spot of laundry if you're here more than 5 nights, really. If you're coming from he collected everything, and then he got back to me this morning at 9 a.m. And honestly, what I love the most, I was a general contractor for years, right? And so if I was ever going to be late, I always called. If it turned into like 8:59 or 9:01, I would call the client, and boom, he was running 5 minutes late. He called me. Actually, he's on Facebook, so quickly, if you send a message through Facebook to this guy, you're then linked through Messenger. Make sure Messenger's on your phone, and boom, he could just let you know, hey, I'm running 5 minutes late. Once you're on the resort, you should be able to link into the Wi-Fi here. The Wi-Fi here works really well. I had no problem with AT&T here, except for when I wanted to send pictures. So pictures through the text messaging system of AT&T did not work very well. In fact, at some point I'm gonna have to resend all that stuff. And so it's probably when I hit home, all those text messages go through like 3 or 4, 5, 6, 7 days late. Anyway, this video is about Playa del Carmen laundry delivery service and pickup. And so highly recommend my boy Tomas, Mr. Clean Laundry Delivery Service, PDC. Check him out, and you can drop him an email at mrcleanpdc@gmail.com. And I'll probably hop onto a little screencast of his Facebook account here next. Thanks for stopping by. SandosPromo.com, iwantotravel2.com. All right, good morning. Welcome to another SandosPromo.com video powered by iwantotravel2.com. Today's video is from Playa del Carmen, Mexico, actually Playacar, and this is Tomas. Yes, yeah. And this is the meeting of Tom and Tom. And Tom here does laundry, and so he'll come pick it up from you, and he'll bring it back the next day. And look how pressed it is. It's all nice and neat. And so real quick, man, what are the top like 5 hotels that you do down here?
Yes.
So Sandos Playacar, Sandos Caracol,
everything, everywhere you go being here in Playa del Carmen, I'll be there.
Okay,
just
very
call
cool.
Me, just find me on Facebook or text me on WhatsApp.
Okay, and what's your Facebook thing?
This Mr. Clean PDC.
Mr. Clean PDC. All right, very cool. All right, thank you very much. Check out all the fun things you could do at Sandos Playacar Beach Resort and Spa, SandosPromo.com. Oh yeah. Love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, so this is like 20 pieces of clothing. And if I had the hotel do it, it'd have been an average of like $3 to $4 per piece. So that would have been $100. And so this was really $30. The guy came and picked it up, delivered it the next day. I gave him a $10 tip. So yeah, $40. Well worth it, you know, and just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And it's in a bag, it's all tied up, and it's taped so it doesn't even fall apart, right? Like I carried this thing like a quarter mile through the resort, and no problemo, as they say. So dig it. Check out this guy's laundry service here in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. All right, SandosPromo.com.